Hi, it's the so-called duck, and today I'm gonna be kind of vlogging, but not, because I'm gonna be vlogging my pets, and I have 3 cats, and here's one of them. But he's sleeping right now, so yeah, we can't do that, and we're gonna have to go over to here to this one. So this cat's name is a girl, and her name is Sugar. So yeah, she stays in the bathroom a lot, and I go in there. Oh, I don't know, maybe it's okay. So yeah, she's there. She goes in here a lot. The bathroom. Want to go in? No? Well, yeah, she goes in sometimes. But, yeah. She's like 2, I think. 2 or 3, I forget. But, yeah, okay. Bye, Sugar. Okay. So, the one over here, he's up. I just walked into the doorway. But he's up now. And this is Finnegan. His nickname is Furry. Hello there. He's kind of old. He's been living with, he's been known in the family for a long time. I'll just say it like that. Okay, and over to here, if we walk through the kitchen, yeah, through here, wait a second, I just need to move some, oh, never mind. Well, this one, because I like this one, she's actually kind of big, so you can see. This one's Lily. She gets really scared, and she's really big, but the other cats chase her a lot and fight her, but she doesn't have claws in the front of her paws. She only has them in the back, and she runs away really fast. But the other ones just chase her, but she's defenseless, so she has to run. And yeah, she's there. See, she's backing off a little bit. But yeah, that's Lily. I will be making other videos where they're just here. This. And yeah. So she's there. Furry's there. Sugar is in there. It's in the bathroom. In the bathtub. Look. Okay, put that on. Oh. Well, it looks like she doesn't want it, but normally she would drink out of that, so that's her. And hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, leave a like, and bye.